Good day to drive, especially in this 2023 Tesla Model Y with blue exterior, black interior, sitting for 5 with 4 doors. It has a standard range battery paired with a single-speed automatic transmission, and it's an all-wheel drive. Desirable features include navigation, winter package, panoramic fixed glass roof, and more features to see. If you like this vehicle and would like to book it for a test drive, please join our website islandford.ca. Now let's take a look under the hood, in and outside the vehicle. This vehicle is fully electric, and this is your charging port. Just press it and it will open, and it will let you know on your dash when it's fully charged. When you're done, just close it and you're ready to head out. This is the front. Gives you more room for storage because you don't have an engine. You have a motor with a standard range battery paired with a single-speed automatic transmission, and it's an all-wheel drive. Now let's take a look inside. Storage and speaker in the door, power windows for added convenience. Your driver's seat is powered with power lumbar, all with the mats on the floor. Sliding into the vehicle. To start it, put the key in the designated area and push the brake. On the face of your steering wheel, media control and volume control. The center stack features a touch screen with AM/FM satellite radio, Bluetooth, your climate control system that is dual and that comes with the winter package with heated seats and steering wheel, air conditioning, defrost, and more functions. You've got your odometer and various controls to adjust the seats, display to open your front and trunk area. And now let's take a look at your backup camera. It's a 360-degree one, making sure you see all angles of the vehicle. Now we gotta put it back in parking. You've got storage below, 2 cup holders, a console with storage underneath, and a 12-volt outlet. Your glove compartment, sun visors, hazard light controls, and your panoramic fixed glass roof. 19-inch wheels, black door handles with intelligent access, a side camera, privacy glass at the back windows. In the rear, your backup camera will be below the Tesla badging. To open your lift gate, just press the button below. It opens it for you, and you access the cargo area with ample of space for your storage needs. Tie downs in all 4 corners, a cargo mat making it easy for cleaning. And when you're done, just press the button above you on the right side. It will close it for you, and you're good to go on your latest adventure. Storage and speaker in the door, power windows for added convenience. The seating is for 3, 60-40 split, which means you can maximize your in-cabin storage by folding your seats down. To do so, just pull the tab. Here folded the seat down for you and you access the cargo area. Anchors to tether baby seat, and when you're done, just lift your seat up. An armrest with 2 cup holders, all with the mats on the floor, slim pockets behind the front seats, your air vents and USB-C charging ports, panoramic fixed glass roof, and your dome light. Backup camera in the rear, privacy glass at the back windows, body colored adjustable side view mirrors with integrated signal, blind spot monitoring, and a camera, halogen headlights and fog lights, and more features to see. If you like this video, please subscribe and join us at islandford.ca. We have plenty to show you and we'd love to hear your comments.